Before you throw kitchen waste in the trash, think again. What if the same things you throw away every day could quietly transform your plants into healthier, stronger, and faster-growing plants? Many people believe plant growth depends on expensive fertilizers, but nature often hides powerful solutions in the simplest places, even in your kitchen. I tested 3 different kitchen waste fertilizers to see which one truly makes a difference. The results were surprising. One improved soil strength, one supported plant health, and one delivered a result I did not expect. In today's video, you will discover 3 powerful lessons that can completely change the way you feed your plants, naturally, simply, and effectively. 1. Onion peel fertilizer supports strong plant health. Onion peels are one of the most overlooked types of kitchen waste, yet they contain natural elements that can quietly support plant growth and resilience. Most people remove the dry outer layers of onions and immediately throw them away without realizing that these thin skins still contain beneficial nutrients that plants can use. When used correctly, onion peels can become a gentle and natural fertilizer that helps plants maintain steady health over time. Onion skins contain potassium and other natural compounds that contribute to plant stability and overall balance. Potassium plays an important role in plant development because it helps regulate internal plant functions. It supports proper water movement within plant tissues and helps plants respond better to environmental changes such as temperature variation or irregular watering. When plants receive adequate potassium, they often develop stronger stems, more stable leaves, and improved tolerance to minor stress conditions. To prepare onion peel fertilizer, the outer dry skins of onions were collected and placed in clean water. The peels were left to soak for approximately 24 hours so that the water could slowly absorb the nutrients present in the skins. During this time, the color of the water gradually changed, indicating that the beneficial compounds had started to mix into the liquid. This process creates a mild, natural fertilizer that can be applied safely without overwhelming the plant. The prepared liquid was applied gently to the soil around the base of the plants. The goal was not to flood the soil, but to allow the nutrients to slowly reach the root zone where absorption naturally takes place. Roots are responsible for drawing nutrients from the soil, and when the soil environment is balanced, plants are better able to use available nutrients efficiently. After repeated application over time, visible improvements began to appear in the plants. Leaves appeared fresher and showed a healthier tone. The plant structure seemed more balanced, and the leaves looked less dull compared to before. Although the change was gradual, the overall condition of the plant indicated that it was responding positively to the natural fertilizer. One important advantage of onion peel fertilizer is that it provides gentle support rather than rapid forced growth. Many strong chemical fertilizers can produce fast results, but sometimes they may disturb the natural balance of the soil if used excessively. Onion peel fertilizer works slowly and allows the plant to strengthen itself steadily, which often results in more stable development over time. Plants that grow in a balanced way are often better prepared to handle everyday environmental changes. Small stresses such as slight dryness, mild temperature variation, or temporary lack of nutrients can affect weak plants quickly. However, plants that receive consistent natural support often develop better internal strength, allowing them to continue growing without interruption. This lesson demonstrates that valuable plant nutrition does not always come from expensive products. Sometimes, simple materials that are commonly considered waste can contribute to healthy plant care when used thoughtfully. Onion peels provide a practical example of how small natural actions can improve plant condition gradually. Using onion peel fertilizer also encourages a more mindful approach to plant care. Instead of discarding useful organic material, it becomes possible to reuse it in a beneficial way. This practice not only supports plant health but also promotes a more sustainable method of gardening. Strong plant health often begins with consistent small efforts rather than sudden changes. When plants receive gentle and regular care, they tend to respond positively over time. Onion peel fertilizer serves as a reminder that patience and consistency can play an important role in achieving healthy plant growth. By understanding how simple kitchen waste can be used effectively, it becomes easier to support plants in a natural and balanced way. Small improvements in plant care habits can gradually lead to stronger, healthier, and more stable plants that continue growing with confidence. 2. Tea waste improves soil quality. Tea is one of the most commonly consumed drinks in many homes, and every day large amounts of used tea leaves or tea waste are simply thrown away. Most people do not realize that this simple kitchen waste can be useful for improving soil condition and supporting healthy plant development. Tea waste contains organic matter that can slowly enrich the soil and create a more balanced environment for plant roots. Healthy soil is one of the most important factors for plant growth. Even if a plant receives water regularly, poor soil quality can limit its ability to absorb nutrients properly. Soil that is too hard, too dry, or lacking organic matter can make it difficult for roots to expand and function efficiently. When roots cannot grow freely, the entire plant may struggle to maintain healthy leaves and stable growth. Used tea leaves contain natural organic material that helps improve soil texture over time. When tea waste is added to soil, it gradually mixes with the soil particles and increases the soil's ability to hold moisture while still allowing air to pass through. Good soil needs both moisture and airflow because plant roots require oxygen as well as water to remain active and healthy. For this experiment, used tea leaves were collected after preparing tea and allowed to cool completely. The tea waste was then placed gently on the top layer of soil and lightly mixed. This allowed the organic material to slowly integrate with the soil without disturbing the roots. Over time, the soil began to feel softer and more balanced, creating a better environment for plant development. Soil that contains organic material often becomes more supportive for root growth. Roots prefer soil that is not too compact, because compact soil can restrict root movement and reduce the plant's ability to absorb nutrients effectively. When soil structure improves, roots are able to spread more comfortably, helping the plant become more stable and resilient. After consistent use of tea waste, the plants began to show signs of improvement. The leaves appeared more balanced in color, and the plant structure seemed healthier overall. Although the change was not sudden, the gradual improvement suggested that the soil environment had become more supportive for steady growth. Tea waste fertilizer works gently and supports long-term soil improvement rather than immediate rapid growth. This type of natural method focuses on building a healthy foundation for the plant. When the soil condition improves, plants are able to maintain consistent growth because their roots are supported by a stable environment. Another advantage of tea waste is that it encourages sustainable gardening habits. Instead of throwing organic material away, it becomes possible to reuse it in a way that benefits plant health. Small natural practices like this can reduce waste while also improving gardening results. This lesson highlights the importance of soil health in plant care. Many people focus only on watering plants, but soil condition plays an equally important role. Balanced soil allows nutrients to remain available for longer periods, helping plants receive steady nourishment. When soil quality improves, plants often become more capable of maintaining strong leaves and stable growth patterns. Healthy soil supports root activity, and active roots support the entire plant structure. Over time, this can contribute to plants that appear more vibrant and better balanced. Tea waste demonstrates that simple everyday materials can support soil improvement naturally. Consistent small efforts can create noticeable changes in plant health when patience is maintained. Strong soil creates a reliable base for plant development, and this base helps plants continue growing in a steady and natural way. 3. Vegetable boiled water provides gentle nutrition. In many kitchens, vegetables are boiled daily as part of regular cooking. After the vegetables are removed, the remaining water is often poured down the sink without a second thought. What many people do not realize is that during the boiling process, vegetables release small amounts of natural minerals and nutrients into the water. These nutrients do not disappear. They remain dissolved in the water and can be reused to support plant growth in a simple and natural way. Vegetables contain various beneficial elements that plants also require for healthy development. When vegetables are exposed to heat, their cell structure softens, allowing certain nutrients to mix into the water. Although the amount of nutrients may not be extremely high, the presence of these natural elements can still provide gentle support for plants when used consistently. For this experiment, the water left after boiling vegetables was allowed to cool completely before being used. It is very important that the water is not hot when applied to plants, because high temperature can damage delicate roots. Once the water reached normal temperature, it was carefully poured into the soil around the plant roots. The purpose of using vegetable boiled water is not to force rapid growth, but to provide mild and steady nourishment. Some plants respond better to gentle care rather than strong treatments. When nutrients are supplied in balanced amounts, plants can absorb them gradually and use them efficiently without stress. After repeated use of cooled vegetable water, gradual improvements began to appear in the plants. Leaves appeared more refreshed and showed a healthier tone. The overall structure of the plant looked more balanced, and the soil maintained a slightly improved moisture condition. This gentle support allowed the plant to maintain steady growth without sudden changes. One important advantage of vegetable boiled water is that it contributes to consistent care. Plants often respond positively when they receive small amounts of nutrients regularly rather than large amounts all at once. Mild nutrition helps maintain stability in the soil and prevents excessive concentration of any single element. Consistency plays a very important role in plant care. When plants receive irregular treatment, their growth pattern may become uneven. However, when plants receive balanced care repeatedly over time, they often develop in a more stable and predictable way. Vegetable boiled water supports this balanced approach by providing light nutrition that complements normal watering habits. Another benefit of using vegetable boiled water is that it encourages a more mindful relationship with everyday resources. Instead of viewing leftover cooking water as waste, it becomes possible to reuse it productively. This approach promotes sustainability and reduces unnecessary waste while also supporting plant health. Natural gardening methods often focus on long-term stability rather than short-term speed. While some fertilizers promise immediate results, balanced growth is usually more beneficial for the overall life of the plant. When plants develop gradually, their structure often becomes stronger and more capable of supporting future growth. Vegetable boiled water can be used for many types of plants because it is generally mild and gentle. It does not usually disturb the natural balance of the soil when applied in reasonable amounts. This makes it a safe option for those who prefer natural plant care methods. It is also important to maintain moderation. Even natural methods should be applied thoughtfully. Providing too much liquid at once can oversaturate the soil, which may affect root health. Balanced watering practices combined with occasional use of vegetable boiled water can support steady development. This lesson demonstrates that useful plant nutrition can come from everyday habits that many people overlook. Simple changes in routine can contribute to healthier plants without requiring complicated preparation methods. When natural resources are used wisely, plant care becomes both practical and efficient. Gentle nutrition encourages plants to maintain internal balance. Balanced plants are more capable of producing healthy leaves and stable stems. Over time, this stability contributes to an overall stronger plant structure that is better prepared for continued development. Vegetable boiled water reminds us that effective plant care does not always require expensive products or complex techniques. Often, the most useful solutions are already available within daily routines. By observing and understanding natural processes, it becomes easier to support plant growth in a sustainable way. When consistent care is combined with patience, plants often show gradual improvement that becomes more visible over time. This steady progress reflects the value of simple and natural gardening methods. Small actions, repeated regularly, can lead to noticeable positive changes in plant health. By reusing vegetable boiled water, it becomes possible to support plant growth while also reducing waste. This practice encourages responsible use of resources and promotes a balanced approach to gardening. Over time, these small habits can contribute to stronger, healthier plants that continue to grow naturally. As we have seen, powerful plant care does not always come from expensive products. Sometimes, the most effective solutions are already present in our daily lives, quietly waiting to be used with awareness and care. Simple kitchen waste can become a source of gentle nutrition, helping plants grow in a natural and balanced way. When we begin to observe nature more carefully, we realize that growth does not always require complexity. Often, small, consistent actions create the most meaningful results. Healthy plants are not created overnight. They develop through patience, balance, and continuous care. When we provide natural support to our plants, we also create a more sustainable and mindful way of gardening. Let this be a reminder that even the simplest habits can lead to beautiful outcomes. What we once considered waste can become a valuable resource that supports life and growth. Continue learning, continue improving, and continue growing with Global Plant Academy. Small natural steps today can lead to stronger, healthier plants tomorrow.